rundown real quick.
Sure.
If that's all right. Appreciate it, man.
My name is Jason McCall. This is a 2014 Jeep Patriot. I have Addictive audio 6x9s all the way around on a 4-channel Terra amp. I have two FU audio 12s. They're about 300 watts a piece on a FSD 700 watt amp.
Okay. The FSD.
FSD.
Nice. I haven't heard of them in a while. Is it at 1 ohm or?
That is at 1 ohm.
Okay.
Correct.
Have you metered it yet?
No, this is my first time metering.
Okay. Do you know what your box? Sorry.
Yeah, what's that?
Do you know what your box is tuned to?
I think it's 40 hertz.
40 hertz.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Stock electric?
Everything is stock. I can run the air conditioner, everything, and you see my voltage is down as 13.
Okay.
6, and that's stock alternator. The
Yes,
only
sir.
thing I got is 1 aught wire going to the back.
Yep.
To another little small battery.
Okay.
I got another battery under the seat for the amp under the seat.
Really? That's
You're
convenient.
sitting there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I got that amp on a separate battery, and that FSD is on a separate battery.
Okay.
Everything's run to the stock alternator, stock
Yes, sir.
battery, stock wires from the alternator to the battery. Everything's pretty much stock.
All right. Sounds good.
Hook it up. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are healing seconds. Wait for them to ask you who you are. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Welcome to the room of people. Welcome to people that they love one day. Doctor way. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades. You never know the psychopath sitting next to you. You never know the murderer sitting next to you. You think that I get there sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget. All my friends are healing seconds. Wait for them to ask you who you are. Please don't make any sudden.
And you can hear every lyric, no distortion, clean signal. I like it. Perfect.
Everything runs off the little Kenwood. It goes
Yes, sir.
to that amp.
Yep.
Just regular old stock stuff. Stuff
Yes, sir.
you can pull off of any audio store or whatever.
Yes, sir.
Just good design.
Awesome. Appreciate
I
it, man.
represent the Mobile Audio Network. You
Okay.
can find them on Facebook.
All right. Mobile Audio Network, Facebook. Appreciate it, man.
All right.
I'm gonna
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. So your battery's underneath. That's pretty different.
There's a battery underneath this one. It's a little small.
Right there, and then there's one underneath of this
Yeah,
one over here.
No, the battery is actually in the tire well, the spare tire
Really?
well. Yes.
Wow.
Everything is hidden. You can't see it.
Okay.
You know, you can see the power wires
I see
coming
it
out
running
of
down.
there.
Okay.
But it goes straight to the battery where
Got
the
it.
spare tires are sitting. So
Okay.
I just put a battery inside the spare tire.
That's your spare?
Now, yeah,
Okay,
spare
nice.
tire. And everything fits.
That's a good idea.
So I got an amp underneath this seat here,
Okay.
which runs the door speakers.
Oh.
Go ahead. You got it? So that's the amp.
Got it.
It runs the door speakers.
Yep.
You come around to this side, I'll show you
All right.
the battery.
Everything's hidden, so you don't see wire
Everything
clutter.
is hidden. You don't see wires or nothing.
Nice.
Right there's the extra battery.
I like the way you got that too, so it don't move around.
Yep.
Brilliant. Appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Everything's done. Jason McCall.
Jason McCall. Thank you,
Like I
man.
said, I represent Mobile Audio Network.
Mobile Audio Network. All right. Thank you, man.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse.
the guns at the door doesn't mean I'm trying to change.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.